awareness to that body parts. Inhaling with rotation of the arm. 1. Rounding the spine, dropping the head down, keeping the brick. Right foot in the center and shift the left leg back. Point the toes, press hard on the brick to lift the head. Ekam, dve, trini, chatvari, not doing this, pancha, shat, sapta. Inhaling, come back, exhaling. Okay, remind me what we did. Okay, yes. So you have to change the leg. Your left foot is down and both 1 minute. Both the hands up, inhale. Urdhava Hastasana, holding there, palms together over the head, lengthening from the sideways. Dve, trini, chatvari, pancha. Now from here, the right hand and left hand, both hands coming down. Raise the right knee up, keeping the right hand down, and raise the left hand up. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch for the twist. 1, 2, 3. Catch the knee. Open the chest. Ekam, dve, trini, chatvari, pancha. Inhaling, come back, exhale. Now from here, place the foot, walk back. Rounding the spine, dropping the head down. Come back, left palm to right ankle and right hand rotation. 1, 2, 3, changing the rotation. 3, 2, 1. Cross the hand and catch the ankle. Crossing the hand and catch the ankle. Yes. Lift the chest up, breathing in. And from here, Pavan Nishkasan, exhale. Inhale, open the chest, sit down. Exhale and fold forward. Inhale, come down. Exhale, start with rotation of the arm. 1, 2, 3. Changing the rotation. 1, 2, 3. Release, relaxed. Okay. Gently, 3 of you take the belt and give to all the students. Only 3 of you. Yes. yoga belt. Taking the yoga belt, and we are coming into the stage of relaxations. Find the loop. Place your yoga belt loop to the armpit. Now from here, armpit. It's very important to place the belt to the armpit. Place it to the right foot. Get the left knee away and see, this is tight and this is not slipping down. Tight, not slipping down, and foot is engaged, the foot is not like this. Active body completely. If that's not working, place something under the butt. Some height. So that your lumbar means where your sciatic nerve is there, which is giving you the pain. So you have to feel lifted. Holding here and then lift up. 1. From here, see the foot. The angusta has to press and hold. And don't do this. Open up. Hold. Breathing in, breathe out. Choose any body parts which you want to heal. Close your eyes and keeping your awareness there, breathe in and breathe out to that body parts. Awareness to that body parts. Inhaling, exhale. Inhaling, exhale, inhale, exhale. Shift the hands forward and shift the leg also forward. From here, you are opening the hand. Which hand? The left hand. So when you are opening the left hand, see there is a shift of the belt. Then the chest has to open. Now take this right hand inside. Keep pressing the foot. Engage. Keep the belt tight. Don't sink down. Open up, open, tight belt, yes. Now extend the right hand forward, catch the foot, open the left, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhaling, come back. Left foot is forward. Left foot forward, round the spine, and shift back. Get your left leg also up. 1, 2, use the tip of the fingers or the brick. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come back. Exhale. Place the belt. Now from here, press your both the hands and core engage. Core engage, just lift the leg. Hold here. 1, lift the leg. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Move the right leg off. Keep the left leg on. Bend. Breathing in and breathe out. Breathing in. Breathe out. Breathing in. Breathe out. Choose the body parts which you want to heal. Meditating. Lift the leg up. Join the hands. Inhale. Exhale. Inhaling. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale.